Beam Wallet is a versatile digital wallet designed to simplify cryptocurrency management with a focus on privacy, security, and efficiency. Today, we'll explore how to use Beam Wallet effectively to maximize your transactions and keep your funds secure. To start, download the official Beam Wallet from the official website or App Store to ensure safety. After installation, open the app and create a new wallet. You will be prompted to write down your recovery phrase. This phrase is critical. Anyone with access to it can access your funds. Store it in a secure, offline location. Once your wallet is set up, familiarize yourself with the interface. Beam Wallet supports confidential transactions, meaning the amounts you send and receive are fully private. The main dashboard displays your balance, recent transactions, and wallet addresses. You can generate multiple addresses for different transactions to maintain privacy. To receive funds, copy your public wallet address and share it with the sender. For sending Beam, enter the recipient's address, the amount in dollars or Beam, and confirm the transaction. The wallet allows you to adjust transaction fees. Higher fees result in faster confirmations. Beam Wallet also supports atomic swaps, enabling you to exchange Beam with other cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. To do this, navigate to the swap section, select the currencies, input the amounts, and execute the trade. All transactions are secured on the Beam blockchain, ensuring transparency and immutability while maintaining privacy. For added security, enable wallet encryption and set a strong password. Regularly update the app to benefit from the latest security improvements. Use the built-in transaction history to track spending, and consider creating multiple wallets for budgeting or business purposes. Using Beam Wallet correctly allows you to send, receive, and manage Beam safely and privately, making it a powerful tool for both new and experienced cryptocurrency users.